In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-assign in YNAB. Now, the first thing you want to do, the first month you're doing this, you will have to do this manually because you have no history for the auto-assign feature over here on the right-hand side. So click on the Plan menu, top left, and from here you want to basically just assign your things, your categories over here. So I just put in some random numbers here for me, and as you can see here, assigned in January is $641. Now, right now, what you want to do, of course, is just leave it like that, and then the next month, you can use the auto assign feature. So if I go to February 2026 right now, as you can see here, it's going to show me assigned last month. Now here, what this means basically, I can just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to basically update the assigned amounts if I click on that exactly to how they were in the previous month. Now I can do that. Of course, I could also go ahead and only update different category groups or just different categories. So for example, if I go ahead and do only, let's just do only needs over here. If I click on this over here to select all of these, it's going to show me how much I've basically assigned last month. So I can go ahead and just click on that, and it's going to assign last month's basically values. Okay. Now here I could also do spent last month, and I could also sync with that. I could do average assigned, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can do here. And you could also just do separate ones. So for example, I can select just insurance, lease, and for example, fitness and hobbies. It's going to show me how much I've done last month and how much I've done on average, stuff like that. I could go ahead and just click on these buttons, and it's going to automatically assign. But if you're doing the same thing every single month, the easiest way to do this is basically just by selecting all of it over here and then just clicking on assign last month, and that's all you have to do. So that's how to use the auto assign. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.